Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you in 2 minutes how to use the beta features here to get access to your GPT-4 plugins. It's pretty simple. You basically need to first have a paid OpenAI account here. So go to chat.openai.com, and then literally at the bottom of your screen on the left, right by your email address, which I'm not going to show you because of security reasons, you will find 3 little dots. Click the dots, and then you get to settings. Click settings, and then basically go to beta features. You've got your browse with Bing, which weirdly enough I didn't actually turn on just yet, but I will keep that on. And then you've got plugins, so you obviously tick this one, and then literally come out of that, go back up here, you go to the plugin store, and there you go, you got all the plugins. My advice would be, if you can't find your plugin on these masses of pages, you got 20 something plus pages of plugins, you probably should actually install Zapier, and you can actually connect pretty much every app with Zapier. It's pretty useful. There is a free tier. I've been sort of off and on using that for many years. It's stable. It's pretty secure, so potentially use that one. But you've got all sorts of different things. A popular one is Expedia. I like that. That's pretty cool. So if you're running a sort of holiday business, that's you know, or trips and stuff like that, that's kind of cool. If you've got a website, you could integrate all sorts of things. The mind actually boggles when you think about the capabilities of this stuff. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like me to make. I'm open to that. We're looking to deliver as much value as possible. We're launching all of our podcasts will be in the library in the next 6 months. We got, you know, kind of 90 something episodes. So we're moving forwards with those. And thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.